Good morning, everyone. Our lesson for today will be about understanding rotational motion. What is rotational motion? Rotational motion is the movement of an object around a fixed axis or center point. Instead of moving in a straight line, the object spins or turns. Think of how the hands of a clock, the blades of an electric fan, or even the earth rotating on its own axis. They all examples of rotational motion. How is it different from translational motion? Translational motion is the object that moves from one place to another. Rotational motion, the object spins around a fixed axis. All points move the same distance in translational motion. Points move in circles around the axis in rotational motion. Example of translational: a car driving on a road. Rotational: a wheel spinning in place. Key quantities in rotational motion: theta, angular displacement; omega, angular velocity; alpha, angular acceleration; and radius, r. So these are the units of the angular displacement, radians; angular velocity, radian per second; angular acceleration, radian per second squared. Real-life examples of rotational motion: a merry-go-round in a playground, a spinning top or Beyblade, a wind turbine turning with the wind, and then the Earth's rotation giving us day and night. Relation to circular motion. All rotational motion involves circular paths. Every point on a rotating object travels in a circle around the axis of rotation. Why it matters? Understanding rotational motion help us design gears, motors, and wheels. Explains how planets rotate, study machinery, robotics, and engineering systems. And let's match up the linear, translational, and angular rotational quantities. Um, in linear, it is S. In rotational, it is theta. And then in linear, it is V. In rotational angular, it's omega. In linear, it is A, but in rotational, it is alpha. Take note of the words angular in rotational motion. So these are the similar equations. So number one, omega is equals to initial omega plus alpha t. Number two, theta is initial omega t plus 1 half alpha t squared. And then number three, omega squared is equals to initial omega squared plus 2 alpha theta. And then four, theta is equals to omega plus initial omega over 2 times t. Understanding rotational motion helps in careers in engineering, astronomy, robotics, and physical therapy. Rotational motion is everywhere in technology and nature, in wheels, gears, motors, Earth's rotation day and night, satellites, orbiting planet, sports. And then, so we already have these are the symbols for the angular displacement theta, omega angular velocity, angular acceleration, alpha. And these are the different rotational kinematics previously already discussed. And then these are the torque is equal to R times F sine of theta. And the moment of inertia is equal to I summation of mv squared. And then Newton's second law of rotation, uh, tau is equal to I alpha. And then linear and angular relations, S is equals to R theta, V is equals to R omega, Alpha is equals to R alpha. Take note of the R there in those formulas. Practice problems. A spinning wheel makes an angular displacement of 25 radians in 5 seconds. What is its average angular velocity? Angular velocity theta, 25 radius, t is 5 seconds, required is omega. The formula is omega is equals to theta over t. Substitute the data, the final answer is 5 radian per second. Number 2, a rotating object completes 6 full revolutions in 3 seconds. What is its angular velocity in radians per second? Given 6 revolutions, then time 3 seconds, and we know that in 1 revolution, there are 2 pi radians. We are asked to obtain omega. First, compute for the theta, multiply the number 6 with the 2 pi, so you got 12 pi radian, and then substitute all the data in the formula, omega is equal to theta over t. The final answer is 12.57 radian per second. Number 3, a student pushes a wrench at a perpendicular distance of 0.25 meters from its pivot point with a force of 30 Newton. What torque is produced? Given F 30 Newton and then lever arm R 0.25 meter, we are asked to obtain the torque. Formula is torque is equals to R times F. Substitute the given data, the final answer is 7.5 Newton meter. Number 4, a wheel accelerates from rest at an angular velocity of 8 radians per second in 4 seconds. What is its angular acceleration? Omega O is 0 radian per second, omega is 8 radian per second, and then t is per seconds. We are asked to obtain the alpha. So alpha is final omega minus initial omega over t. Substitute the given data. The final answer is 2 radian per second. Number 5. A fan blade starts from rest and undergoes uniform angular acceleration of 2 radian per second. How much angular displacement does it undergo after 6 seconds? We have omega O, 0, and then angle alpha is 2 radian per second, t 6 seconds. We are asked to obtain theta. Using the formula theta is equal to omega O t plus 1 half alpha t squared, and substituting the data, we got 36 radius. Number 6, a rotating disk has an initial angular velocity of 5 radian per second and reaches a final angular velocity of 15 radian per second in 5 seconds. Find the angular acceleration. So omega O is 5 radian per second, omega is 15 radian per second, t is 5 seconds. We are asked to obtain alpha. The formula to use is alpha is equals to omega minus omega O over t. Substitute the given data, the final answer is 2 radian per second. Number 7, a wheel makes 10 complete revolution. What is its angular displacement in radian? Given 10 revolutions, and then we are asked to obtain theta. Just simply theta is equals to multiply the number of revolutions with the 2 pi, and the final answer is 62.83 radian. Number 8, a torque of 12 Newton meter is applied to a flywheel with a moment of inertia of 4 kilogram meter squared. What is its angular acceleration? Given tau 12 Newton meter, I 4 kilogram meter squared, we are asked to obtain alpha. So the formula to use is alpha is equals to tau over I. Substitute the given data, the final answer is 3 radian per second squared. Number 9, a bicycle wheel of radius 0.3 meters spins at 6 radian per second. What is the linear tangential speed of a point on the rim? So we are given r 0.3 meters, omega 6 radian per second. We are asked to obtain the velocity. Using the formula B is equals to R omega, and then substitute the given data, we can get the value 1.8 meters per second. Number 10. A circular saw blade rotates at 120 radians per second and has a moment of inertia of 0.05 kilogram meter squared. What is its rotational kinetic energy? Given omega 120 radians per second, I 0.05 kilogram meter per second squared, and then we are asked to get the kinetic energy. Use the formula 1 half I omega squared, and substituting the data, you will be getting 360 joules. And then MCQ for today's lesson. Number 1. What type of motion involves an object spinning around a central axis? Letter A, translational motion. Letter B, vibrational motion. Letter C, rotational motion. Letter D, linear motion. Number 2, the angle through which an object rotates is called angular velocity A. Letter B, angular displacement. Letter C, torque. Letter D, tangential velocity. Number 3, the unit of angular velocity is A, meter per second, B, meter per second squared, C, radian per second squared, D, Newton per meter. Number 4, which of the following is a vector quantity in rotational motion? A, angular displacement, B, angular velocity, C, angular acceleration, D, all of the above. Number 5, a torque is a result of a force applied at the center, letter B, a force applied at any point, letter C, a force applied perpendicular to the axis of rotation, D, mass only. Number 6, a wheel rotates 10 times. What is its angular displacement in radians? Letter A, 10 radian. Letter B, 20 radian. Letter C, 62.83 radian. D, 6.28 radian. Number 7, if a wrench is 0.3 meter long and a force of 20 Newton is applied at the end, what is the torque? Letter A, 60 Newton meter. Letter B, 6 Newton meter. C, 0.050 Newton meter. Letter D, 66 Newton meter. Number 8, which of the following expresses the formula for angular acceleration? A, alpha is equals to omega over t. Letter B, alpha is equals to theta over t squared. Letter C, alpha is equal to omega minus omega over t. Letter D, alpha is equals to r times omega. Number 9, a rotating disk has a moment of inertia of 2 kilogram meter squared and an angular velocity of 10 radian per second. What is its rotational kinetic energy? Letter A, 50 joules. Letter D, 100 joules. Letter C, 200 joules. Letter D, 400 joules. Number 10. What is the linear speed of a point on the rim of a wheel of radius 0.5 rotating at 4 radian per second? Letter A, 2 meter per second. Letter B, 1 meter per second. Letter C, 8 meter per second. Letter D, 0.05 meter per second. Answer key for today's lesson, you need to go to lesson 15. Answer key for today, for lesson number 13, will be this one. 1 to 10. Okay, I hope you got all them right. So, and that's it for today's lesson here on A Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Thank you, everyone. See you in our next lesson.